Hi, this is Miss Hubbard. We're going to plant some vegetables. One of our books is called The Vegetables We Eat. I love to eat vegetables. We're going to plant some leaf vegetables. I have some lettuce and some spinach today. I also have kale. So are you ready? Okay. First, let's plant some lettuce. These are seedlings. That means they're baby plants. We're going to gently pull out the seedling of the lettuce from the small container. And you see the roots? The white things there are the roots, and they're very fragile, so I'm going to be very gentle and pull them apart so they're not tangled up. Okay, now we're ready to plant them in a big container. I'm going to just make a little hole with my fingers here. So this is very good soil right here. It's what we have, the soil. Okay, I'm going to place the roots down into the soil and just gently press down with my fingers. Ready for some spinach? Okay. Gently pull the spinach, wiggle and pull it from the small container so I don't rip it. Ooh, look at all of those roots. So that means that this spinach plant, it has been in the small container too long, and the roots have grown and gotten all tangled up because they did not have enough space. So I'm going to gently separate them a little bit, okay, and then make a little hole with my hand. You can use a shovel, or you can use a trowel if you want a tool, but you don't have to. Okay, and there's a spinach plant. Okay, now I forgot I have another kind of lettuce too. It has a reddish color. I'm not sure of the name of this one, but we see that it is a leaf vegetable. So there are the leaves. Gently pulling the plant out of the container. Oop, the leaves are a little tangled up too. I'm going to try to gently untangle them. There we go. And separate the roots a little bit. Well, let's see, where do I want to put that? How about right here in the middle, so that the plants have space to grow. Excellent. Now, the kale looks a little different. It has curly leaves, doesn't it? I love the way those look. Okay, the kale is going to get big and need a lot of space, so I am going to put the kale in its own container right here. So I'm going to gently pull the smaller plant out of the small container. I also squeeze the pot. Wow, look at all of those roots. Those white things are the roots. Those roots have been really cramped up in there. Okay, I'm going to separate them a little bit. And I'm going to need to make a bigger hole. Again, I like to use my bare hands so I can feel the soil. You do not have to if you're doing this at home. I need to make a little bigger hole here. Sometimes you need to loosen up the soil a little bit with a tool. This is called a trowel. If the soil's loose, it allows the roots to grow more easily. Okay. Go. Put the kale in. I'm going to fill in around it with some more soil. Push it down a little bit. And then all I need to do is water it. We'll do that later, but I also want to show you how you can eat a fresh leaf vegetable without cooking it or doing anything to it. It's just nice and fresh. Here's a piece of spinach. That's good. It's delicious. All right, thank you. I'll see you next time.